How to turn on or turn off Bluetooth connections on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on Bluetooth. If you want to turn on or turn off Bluetooth connections, so if you want to turn off Bluetooth connections, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Bluetooth connection is turned off. If you want to turn on Bluetooth connection, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Bluetooth connection is turned on. You will turn on or turn off Bluetooth connection from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth connections on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.